Hey, it's me again, Daniel, for this another update video for January 18, 2023. And right now they're putting up some more roof. It's like a roof around like the place, like putting like gold carts and such. Yep. And right now it's about 1:30 in the afternoon. Something like that. I wish to get this crap over and done with so I can walk over there. There's the third day of the major construction, but the dirt construction took like nearly 2 weeks. Maybe if I'm lucky I can go over there tomorrow in the pouring rain without doing videos. If it's a rainy day, then I can't do this. And right now it's about 49, 50 something degrees. And the best flea market I like in Pennsylvania is the one over on 61. Indoor and outdoor in the back. The best flea market in the world. Then I had a deal back in Queens, Brooklyn, New York, when I used to go to Fountain Avenue Flea Market. It was not that great. It's like a dump flea market in a crappy neighborhood. But it do got some good stuff, but the location was pretty bad. But the best location of the flea markets I do like was the Green Acres Mall, and the other flea market I like was Aqueduct by the racetrack. By later 2010, they permanently closed down that flea market, the Aqueduct one, to make it into like the friggin' casino over there. That's why I don't go to that casino over there. When I lived in New York, the only casinos I want to go to is Atlantic City. I'm trying to go to Atlantic City or Hollywood Casino over on 81, getting off at exit 85 or something. The same way we go to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, right on 81. And the other flea market I like was the Green Acres. I've been going there from 2010 till it's permanently closed in 2014, around the end of October. Yeah. That's why they made it to like Five Below and some other stores. And there used to be a movie theater over there. That's permanently closed too. Everything in Green Acres has actually changed during like the last decade. Few years ago, it used to be JCPenney. That's probably closed. Everything in that mall I like was closed for fun. Used to have San Goodies, Music Land, FYE, Suncoast, Walden Bookstore, Band Bookstore, and the Flea Market. Everything sucks in the Green Acres Mall nowadays. They've been here since like 7:30 this morning, about 6 damn hours. When this is over, I'm going to show you like the aftermath after they leave. At least they didn't chop any more trees, thank God. I had to worry about that too. Because what's going to happen if it's going to be spring and summer? Maybe some of the trees will just grow back. Be able to just grow and grow. So I hope you enjoyed this 6th video of the construction. I'll see you later for the other one. You just please stay tuned for more actions of the construction. Now I gotta charge my camera, and well, see you later. Later, folks.